Did you get it? Okay, let's do a G. Find your G, and let's find it on the keyboard. Did you find it? Here he goes. He's walking on the piano. Ooh, which one is that? It's E. Middle C has its own line, like seriously.
The second space is C in the bass.
Grown-ups, if you want to play along down here, you can.
This is the red chord. Blue is next, I said.
Yeah. Listen.
Snowflakes are falling, falling very gently. Snowflakes are falling, falling very gently. Down, down. 5 bottle pop, 6 bottle pop, 7 bottle pop, pop. Really backyard, really backyard, really backyard, really backyard. I am Robin Hood, heading to the games, sneaking through the woods, practicing my aim. Shoot the arrow, watch it fly.
Target in my sight, ready, here I come. Bring it home, drums. Shoot the arrow. Shh, shh. I'm practicing being a rest. Shh, shh. Do you see our target? Do you see Robin Hood's target? Do you see it way back there? Wow. I shot my own target. The beat is the bug and the others play along. Here we go. Beetle, bug, shh. Beetle, slug, shh. Bug, shoot. And I'm going to place it under a cup. And let's see if you can guess which cup it's under. Ooh. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, somebody, but I won't tell who. Awesome! How many hearts did we earn? Girls and boys come out to play. The sun is shining, it's bright as day. Leave your teddies and leave your toys and come to play with the girls and boys. Last time, la 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 la, so me do. La 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 la, so me do. Shake, shake, shake my sillies out and wiggle my waggles away. I gotta rest, shh, rest, shh, rest when day is done. Rest, shh, rest, shh.
Turn out your toe. Chummy, amo, go, go. Then squat down low. Chummy, amo, go, go. Now flap your arms and make a face. Chummy, amo, go, go.
Oh, he's getting closer to the Gnome King. There he is.
No one will hurt us.
There's the Gnome King. 1, 2, 3. Hey, over here! Ahoy! I'm on the pirate ship. Come on over. Welcome aboard. Here comes a big wave. Shh.